Welcome to another video. This is a HP 14EP0524SA and the fault is HP means heat to problems generally. Let me just light out the way. So when I switch to power on, all we're getting is a power light and nothing more. So let's have a look at what's going on. Do you know what? I'm just let me take a guess what this could be. I'm thinking memory issue. It is a mix up and loose screws. Right? Is there any screws behind it? I would like to check. Let's have a quick look. No, nothing there. Okay, that's fine. We'll leave that there for now. Put it back on later on. Anything here? No, we're good as well. So that's. Okay, get something sharp that you can get in to the side. Okay, and just lift out slowly. Okay. There you go. So, let's see what's going on. Does the fan spin first of all? Let's just switch it on again. Okay, so the light is still on. The light is on. And we have fan spin. Okay. I assume this has got to be a memory issue. Got to be. Okay, so the fan's gone off. The processor's warm. Yep, so the machine is running. Now, either it's got an issue with the screen. So the first thing, let's just disconnect the memory first of all. What I want to do before I do that is just disconnect the battery. You'd be surprised what a battery pull can just sort a machine out. I've had it in the past where pull the battery out, plug it back, give it a few seconds, drain the power from the motherboard, and the laptop will power up, and that's probably all it needs. But yeah, only on lucky days we get that kind of stuff. Today's a Monday. Monday's a lucky day, isn't it? Yeah, of course it is. We made it through the weekend. Right, so first of all, let me just have a quick look. If there's any damage anywhere, any liquid signs, or any components that look popped. I can't see nothing out of the ordinary. Just make sure I hold on to the battery. Just drain the power. Good 20 or 30 seconds. Right, let's put the battery back. And then power up again. I've got no light at all now. Maybe the battery could be low. Let me just screw the battery in. Plug in the charger now. Okay, charging light is on, as you can see, just there. Orange light. Okay. Okay, power light's on now. We've got fan spin. Okay, so nothing is happening. I'm going to disconnect the battery again. Okay, that's that done. That's disconnected. Got to put that there so it doesn't touch. Okay, now let's put the memory on this side. Let's see what happens. Right, so we have fan spin, as you can see, but nothing is happening. So I think there's an issue with the memory. Okay. Let's put in some more memory that I've got here. Right, I'm going to check on a... okay. There you go. And as I said, the result is a faulty memory stick. So we'll replace we'll leave the memory in there that's working. And yeah, all good.